Today we're making Thai minced pork. So it's a very quick recipe. Let's start off with a preheated pan. Put in some oil. I sliced up some onions and garlic. So saute them first. Add in your garlic next. So we're using high heat, that's why it's cooking really quickly. Then add in your pork. This is a half a kilo of minced pork. Once all the pork is cooked, lower the heat. Season with pepper. And for your salt component, add some fish sauce, not too much. Some soy sauce. And some oyster sauce. And also add in a pinch of sugar. Last, add in fresh basil. Okay, once your basil leaves have wilted like that, it's actually done. So I'm going to be feeding my kids, so I won't be adding chili. But if you plan to add some chili, you can add chili at this point. Just stir it. Last part, let's taste. This is best served over rice with a fried egg. So let's start with the fried egg. Get some of that pork. Some of the egg. And some rice. That's really good. And we're done.